Hey guys, in this video we're going to be taking a look at TENX. Big move today for TNX. Let's take a look at Market Watch here. So on Market Watch we can see that we only see this piece of recent news from today at 11:05 a.m. So not pre-market, not right at the open. It happened a couple hours after the bell rang, and it looks like there were some positive results in a preclinical study, and apparently that was enough to just make the stock run. Um, this stock opened at 452, right around this level. Yeah, 452, 455, something like that. But the first move, we could say, it started on this candle at right around 1020. So from 511, it moved all the way up to 669, 670 or so, and pulled back. And the very next candle broke the high of the previous candle, the red candle breakout point 669, and it kept going up for two more candles all the way up to 849. It looks like this red candle did open at around the same level as the previous candle closed, and it did break a little bit, but it ended up not working out. So we have this move down, then next candle, green candle, still a pullback candle, and the level on this candle was 819. So when the next candle opens, so let's take a look at the times here. So that's 11:05, right around the same time, actually at the same time as the article came out from Seeking Alpha about the positive preclinical studies, and boom, it makes the biggest move so far that I had made today from 775 all the way up to 935. That's a big move. So it makes that move, pullback candle on lower volume. Normally we like to see that. And once the next candle reaches the breakout point of 937, the high of the previous candle, it breaks out again. Although it actually closed lower, but it did break it out momentarily and then it closed lower, but the next candle did break again and the next candle broke again. So from this breakout point of 930 something, 37, it got up all the way to 1147. There was some money to be made today on this stock. Um, and this is actually when I got home. When I got home, I went into a chat room I'm a member of, and I asked, "Hey guys, what stock has been moving today?" And like five guys were like TNX. Well, of course, all caps. It's a ticker, but with exclamation marks. And I was like, okay, well, let's take a look at it. And that was right around, yeah, right at this candle. So I was able to witness this next candle here, and I saw that it dropped all the way to 1017. So here I'm thinking, okay, I I've seen the way it's been behaving, the stock, um, with only, one red candle pullbacks. It's already 12, but, it may be strong enough to keep the move going. So I actually wanted to buy near the low because, it went down, it gets back up, but, a lot of times in the 5 minute period, they reach back down to the low levels again or near the initial low levels of that candle. But I was not able to buy it. I want to buy like at the low here. Let me mark it because I'm tired and I don't remember anything right now. Okay. If the low was 1015, actually I can see the low here. Yeah, 1015. I said, okay, well, the previous candle's low was 1014 on this green candle. I'll buy it around 1025, 1020 ideally. And I'll have my stop be the low of the previous candle. But it didn't get to that level. What it did do though was, well, I saw this video. This video. I saw this. I'm sorry, guys. I'm tired. I saw this candle, this volume candle here, and I saw that it was a lot a lower, smaller, lower volume than the previous candle. So I thought, okay, that's a good sign. And it was getting close to the end of the 5 minute period. So I thought, okay, I think this candle may is close to closing. So I'll buy right now at around in the 1050s because I think that the next candle's gonna run. So I did buy a 1049 here. I bought a 1049 and then the next candle opened. And fortunately, it did not go much lower. Actually, it stayed right around that same price, and it did get up here all the way up to 1135. I did not sell there though, because it stayed around those levels of 1049, 1055, 1060 for a little bit until it started breaking. But I started thinking, it's already 12. It's a bit extended. It's good news, but traders have had their fun. I don't know if I'll be able to manage risk wisely and properly right now by thinking that it's gonna keep running higher. So what I did is that as soon as it got back up to the 1070s level, I sold at 1071, but my full order didn't fill. Actually, only 80 shares filled. I took a 250 share position. Only 80 shares filled, and I was like, okay, so I'm in the green a little bit. Let's wait and see what it does. So I see that it doesn't break higher, so I just cancel the order for the previous, well, for the remaining of the order, uh, the remaining 170 shares that I had, and I just sold at 1066. So, I mean, nice little $46 today. I was not even planning on trading today. I'm trading on small size just because um, I'm wanting to really perfect my risk management, and I that's been my struggle in the past. Fear of missing out, FOMO, and just wishful thinking that when a stock goes below my stop, you know, I don't sell. So that's what I've been working on. I've been better at it, but I'm gonna keep doing it until I feel comfortable. So that's what I did. I think it worked out just fine because although it did get up to 1128, that would have been a really nice move, a really nice gain. The next candle actually ended up moving down all the way to 9670 or so. So let's think about this, right? So what if I had kept my position at 1049? I'd have said, okay, well, it's gonna keep moving higher, right? Speaking from a pattern standpoint, right? Assuming that this candle would break this or would get to this breakout point of 1141 and then just keep running, or perhaps this candle close at around this level or some lower level, and then the next candle just break that point and just keep running, which is what a 5 minute bull flag would do. And this is a bullish stock, and I had many reasons to think that that would happen. But it's already extended. I wanted to have a green day. I wanted the first day of March to be a green day, and like I said again, it's already noon, so I decided to sell. Made a little bit of money, and I'll take that. So if we keep going further, it looks like it did drop down a little bit to the moving averages, tapped the 20 EMA, respected that level, and as soon as it crossed the 9 EMA, it ran again. It actually broke the high, not by a lot, but really it's a nice 30 cent move. I mean, so it was a really nice stock to be in today, and it did it again. Curls up a little bit. This time it actually didn't get to the highs, but nevertheless, it was a good name today. So that's the review for TNX. I'm a little tired, so sorry if I went through a little fast or just I just mumbled more than I usually do. But yeah, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, suggestions, just please let me know in the comments section. And we'll see you on the next one, guys. Have a good one.